I cannot believe it, but Brinks has started making aluminium padlocks, 5-pinners. So we're gonna open this up and see. I've already cut the back. See what happens. I'm gonna try with what I have in my wallet. Here you go, Angie. You can be the tripod if you want to be. I hope that's a good sign. There's the bidding. So let's see here. Alright, I'm gonna use a homemade city rake that I actually extended to 6 pins instead of 5. I think I actually need them. Oh shit. Never mind. There it is.
Dang, that quick.
That's sad.